Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. It's Pushkar this side, and today we are doing another video. Today we are building a simple app for small businesses to solve a very essential problem, a very common problem for small businesses. We're building an app for payment reminders. If you are running a small business, if you are offering services to other small businesses, you know how difficult it is to get payments on time. You do your part, you do complete the project, and then when you send the invoice, it takes ages to get the payments. And if you're a business owner, your time is primarily spent in following up with these customers and following up for payments, and it's never ending. And it's a real pain point, and we come across this a lot because we work with a lot of small businesses, especially here in India, and it's a real pain point. So today we want to solve that. We want to show you how you can easily solve that using AI to build a simple app for payment reminders. So what we are going to do, we are going to build a simple CRM which integrates with WhatsApp, which integrates with a payment gateway. So here in India, PhonePe is a really popular payment gateway, but you could use any other payment gateway depending upon where you are, what kind of payment gateways you have access to. You can use other payment gateways. But what we are going to do in this CRM, we are going to create a list of customers. We are going to schedule payments against those customers, and we are going to create a workflow which sends a payment reminder automatically to the customers along with a payment link. And so for them, it should be just very easy. They see this message on WhatsApp, they click on the payment link and make the payment. So that's the app that we are building. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Fusion. I'm going to go to my app builder AI agent. So this is the app builder AI agent. It's a simple chatbot, and I'm going to start typing my prompt. So I'm going to tell AI to build a simple app which will have customers and it will have payments, and it will connect with WhatsApp and it will connect with PhonePe. And with WhatsApp and PhonePe integration, it should be able to send automated payment reminders to our customers. So that's the functionality that we want. That's what we are going to type in our prompt, and we're going to send it, and AI will try to understand this. If it doesn't understand, it will ask us some questions, we'll answer those, and then AI will start building the app. So in this particular app, we are going to use Twilio. So Fusion uses Twilio for WhatsApp integration. So that's what we are going to do. We are going to tell it to use WhatsApp integration and PhonePe integration. And now we can see AI has started building the app. So it is building a few pages. It is starting with a page called customers. So I imagine it's going to be a page where we can create customers and we can manage customers. So let's see. Yeah, so like I said, on this page, we have a form to create new customers, and down below I can also see a table where we can see a list of customers that we add. So next page is the payments page. So AI has created another page. So this is the page where we can create scheduled payments. So we can select a customer and we can say this customer owes me X amount of money and this is the due date. So for those scheduled payments, if they go over the due date, workflow should follow up with the customers. So that's the third important part that we need in our app, which is the payment reminder follow-up workflow. So AI has created that workflow and it has done its job. It has set up the app. Now we can go to the customers page and now we can start testing the app. So it was very easy. You could see it was able to set up pages and set up the workflow based on a simple prompt, and it did it in just a few minutes, like 1 or 2 minutes. So now we try to test it. So I'm going to create a dummy customer. I enter customer's name, email, and here it's asking me for phone number and WhatsApp number. They are separate. I don't know why, but AI has decided to keep phone number and WhatsApp number separate, but let it be. I'll just continue to play along. If I wanted, I could also delete one of those fields. So if I didn't want a separate contact phone, I could delete it. I could just ask AI to change it. But now I'm going to go along with this. I'm going to enter all these fields and I'm going to try to add the customer. So let's see. So when I try to add the customer, I got an error, but no worries. What we are going to do is simply copy the error, go back to AI, and we're going to ask AI to fix this error. It's as simple as that. When you're setting up an app, you check if your data is getting saved. If it's not getting saved, or if you're running into any kinds of errors, just copy them and ask AI to fix them. And AI should be able to fix them in maximum 1 or 2 attempts. So let's see. We have informed AI that we are getting this kind of error. Let's see what AI does. So AI has changed something. It has updated the code. So I'm going to again go to the customers page, and let's again try to add a new customer entry. So I'm going to fill up all the details, including the email and the name and the contact number, and we'll try to add this customer. So this time it goes through. So we are able to successfully save the customer record. So the dummy customer Anjali's record got created. I can see it on the customers page. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the payments page, and here I'll create a scheduled payment. So I'm going to select the customer Anjali, and I'm going to say she owes me 100 rupees and it's due by this date and the status is pending. Let's add the payment. So here also we get the same error. So let's just copy it and we tell AI to fix this error. And again, AI should be able to do this maybe in 1 or 2 attempts. Okay, so AI has done something. It has updated the page. And now we can again try to add a payment record. So again, I'm going to say Anjali owes me 200 rupees. It's due by this date and status is pending. I'm going to add the payment. And this time it goes through. So the form is working. We are able to create payments and we can see that payment over here. So Anjali owes me 200 rupees and it's pending. So this payment is already pending. So the next step that we need to verify is the workflow. That's the last step that we need to verify. So AI has created a workflow to actually follow up for the pending payments, because this workflow has to run automatically. So it's a scheduled workflow. And you can see when you come to this workflow, you can see the workflow name. It's daily WhatsApp payment reminder. So it's supposed to run daily. So we can see it's a scheduled workflow. The frequency is daily. So it's supposed to run every day. And then in order to run this workflow, AI will also need some information from us. So for creating a payment link, it needs some information about our payment gateway. So PhonePe is the payment gateway we are using. So it asks us for a PhonePe merchant ID. It asks us for some more details. So I'm using a test account over here. I'm using a test PhonePe account. So I'm going to just add some dummy details to get this working. So there are a bunch of PhonePe settings that we need to configure. I'm just going to add those. And we scroll down. And for WhatsApp, we are using a service called Twilio. So this is where we enter the WhatsApp details and the Twilio details. So here it's asking us for a message template. In this message template, we can also use placeholders. And finally, when the message gets sent, it will be personalized. And AI also asks us for our Twilio account details, like our account ID and API key and our Twilio number. So I'm going to save all these details. So I've entered all the information that it needs to integrate with our WhatsApp account and PhonePe account. So our workflow now has all that information. It should be able to connect with our WhatsApp and Twilio account. So we try to run it. So when we try to run the workflow, we can see now it's running and we got an error. So again, in the first execution, we got an error and we also got a button which prompts us to fix this error with AI. So if I click this button, AI will try to fix the error for us. So AI told us that this is the error we are getting and would you like to fix it? So I'm going to say yes, please fix it. So it's doing something. It will fix the error. It will refresh the workflow page. Let's check. I think it changed something. So we again need to enter the PhonePe details. Some of those details need to be re-entered, but no problem. We'll just re-enter all those details and we'll try again. So again, it's asking us for all those Twilio details and a message template. I'll try to quickly enter those details and run the workflow again. So here it asks us for a message template. In the message template, I'm going to say this is the link to complete your payment, and then we are going to use the placeholder for payment link, which is the PhonePe _ link. That's our placeholder. So you can use these different placeholders to personalize your message. Okay, so with all these details saved, I'm going to try to run this workflow again. Okay, so this time the workflow ran successfully. We can see in the logs, it's all green. So whenever Fusion runs a workflow, it gives us very detailed logs, but it tells us those logs in simple English. So we can, in very simple English, we can understand what's happening. It's not like developer logs. Our tool is meant for non-developers, so you can see these logs and you can understand in plain and simple English what's happening. So what I can see is our workflow ran successfully and if I go to my WhatsApp account, I can see I got a message So I got a message from Fusion's WhatsApp number, and it's the message that I was expecting along with the PhonePe link. So for PhonePe integration, we are using a test PhonePe account. So this is the test link. But you can see that I had said that Anjali owes me 200 rupees. So we got a payment link for exactly 200 rupees. And now what the customer needs to do is when you send in this payment link, he just has to go to it, verify, and complete the payment. And it's as simple as that. So now we have a fully working payment reminder app with WhatsApp and PhonePe integration. And you could see it literally took me less than maybe 6-7 minutes to completely set it up. So you can see how powerful this platform is. If you're a non-technical user, if you're a non-developer, you just need a prompt and you need to know what you're building. You need to guide AI in the right direction, and AI will build it for you in just a few minutes. So all the different kinds of business apps that you need, CRM, payment reminders, marketing automations, payment follow-ups, all those things can be very easily built with Fusion's AI. So if you're interested in building any more of these apps, if you'd like to see me create more of such videos, do let me know in the comments what you would like to see in the next episode. And I hope you liked it. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Leave a comment. So I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave. See you in the next one.